Let's discover the letters of the alphabet together. Take a look at letter F. F is for foot. F is for fish. F is for fan. Fan. F is for farm. F is for 5. F is for fox. Fox. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Won't you come and sing along? F is for foot. F is for fish. F is for fan. Fan. F is for farm. F is for 5. F is for fox. Fox. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Won't you come and sing along? F says F says yes, F says F is for fork. F is for flower. F is for fin. Fin. F is for food. F is for fingers. F is for fog. Fog. Great job learning about the letter F. Can you think of more words that begin with the letter F? I know you can.
If you like this video, click the bell and find out when our next video is available. Subscribe here or click over here and check out this video.